My instructors were great. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be having a successful career like I am right now.
What stands out to me about the classroom experience is how caring the instructors are, how personable they are, how one-on-one they are with you. If you have any questions, they'll answer all your questions for you.
So they teach us the little details that a lot of the guys in the field, you don't see them do that. That just speaks to how knowledgeable those people are, and they really care about our success.
The hands-on training at WTI helped me tremendously understanding what I was going to school for, you know. What better education, you know, than to get the hands-on training.